my sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adele if you are new, and today I'm going to be showing you my November plan with me in my bullet journal. For this month, I wanted to spice things up a little bit because I am usually not the most creative when it comes to my spreads, but this month I was like, you know what, we're gonna try to be cute. So I'm drawing this little like wreath thing, I guess. It's just like these little leaf things, not leaves, leaves. I promise I can speak. So I just really wanted to capture the essence of fall. You know, I wanted to like make those spreads those like autumn spreads that people make around this time of year because I think they look really nice and pretty and I don't normally draw. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be an artist this time and I'm gonna make it look nice. So I'm pretty proud of how this month's spread turned out. I think it looks nice and clean and pretty. So on this left side, I have my kind of general overview title page for the month, and then on the right, I have my vertical monthly log, and I've done this spread in the past. I kind of like to switch things up here and there, and so I'm going back to this format, and November is going to be a pretty busy month for me, and I'm going to explain why in a little more detail later, because I have a whole spread dedicated to it. Look at me getting fancy with those little leaves. Look at that. We are being creative this month. We are creative queens who will make our bullet journals look good for once. Now, moving on to this next page, it is my big thing of why I'm going to be busy this month, and it's NaNoWriMo. So I've talked about this in some previous videos, but I am participating in NaNoWriMo this year. I am a writer, for those of you who don't know. I will link some of my writing vlogs above where I kind of talk about it. So for those of you who don't know, NaNoWriMo is National Novel Writing Month, and it is where a bunch of writers come together, and it's a big community, and the goal is to write 50,000 words in a month. So I'm super excited to be doing it this year. So I have these two spreads right here for Nano specifically, and so the one on the left I'm just gonna have kind of like a very general goals and tasks page, I guess, where I just kind of write whatever, and then on the right I have a progress tracker to track my word counts. And while we're on the subject, I have a question for my fellow writerly beings out there like myself. So I currently make writing vlogs pretty frequently, and I was planning on making vlogs for NaNoWriMo, and so I was just wondering if you guys would like to see like weekly vlogs, or would prefer like a video, like one video at the end of the month, just kind of with like small clips throughout the month, I guess. I'm currently leaning more towards weekly vlogs where I kind of show my progress and how I'm feeling and what I'm doing. So I'm probably gonna do that unless you guys like really want the other one. So just comment down below what you think, because I would love to hear your suggestions. Now back to the bullet journal. On this page I have all of my trackers. So on the left I am currently making my habit trackers, which I have used this format I think for the past few months now, where I have individual boxes for each day. I just really like it. It does take a little bit more work than other spreads, but I do find that I just like it better. I don't know. So yeah, and then down here I have my water tracker, which also is the same. Now down here at the bottom I am doing my social media tracker, which again I have also done the past few months. Basically these two pages right here where I have all of my trackers they've been the same for the past few months, so if you want to go check out the other ones, that is totally cool as well. And now I'm working on my sleep tracker, which again, as you may know, takes absolutely forever, so I cut that part out because you don't want to see me write all those numbers. Down here we are adding some more leaves because we want to have a cute bullet journal, and they look so good, and I am so proud of myself doing that freehand. Wow, Picasso is shaking. Now moving on to the next page, both of these spreads are new, but what is new? So I don't know, I didn't mean to say that twice. Anyway, this is a meal plan that I'm working on right now on the left. I tried to do a meal plan log thing last month, but I did not really like it. I didn't like the way it looked. It just looked too big and bulky and weird. So I got this one off of Pinterest, and I like the way it looks much better, because that's important. Basically, each row is the day of the week, and those little letters that I have written are BLSD, and that stands for breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. And so every day you just kind of write out beside that like what you're eating that day. And I'm excited to try this because I really have wanted to get back into meal planning and like logging what I'm, not logging what I'm eating, but like planning in advance what I'm eating, I guess. So yeah, I'm excited. On this right page, I am doing my weekly log, which honestly at this point I don't remember if I've done it before or not because I change my spreads up so often. But I just have, I'm separating the page into parts for each day, and so at the top I just have this week, which is like a general overview of the week, and then each day has its own things where I do like events and tasks I have that day. Alrighty friends, that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my November plan with me. Here's a little flip through of everything that I did in this video, and I'm excited about these spreads and also about Nano, which again I'm mentioning, and so you can watch some other videos to find out more about that. Shameless self-promotion. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video.